In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings, then scroll to click on Google section available here. Now choose All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google. Select Google Password Manager. And if you don't see Add Password option, that means that you never added one before. To add them manually, you need to have at least one. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Then make sure this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords is green. And go back to Autofill with Google section. Leave it open in the background. And simply log in to any website or any app. Then wait for the pop-up to show. When pop-up appears, hit Save at the bottom right corner and go back to Settings. This time, when you click on Google Password Manager, you will see your Added Password and Add Password option. Now you can finally tap on it and input any password you wish to save. At the top, you can type in any website or tap on Select App and click on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. Once you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!